So spontaneously, I just decided to get eyelash extensions today, and I filmed all the process for you if you're interested to learn more about it. Let's get right into the video.
You keep your eye open and you look down to your chin. You never did this before?
No. So anybody can do this? Like, is the glue safe?
This is for eyes, eyelashes, so it's safe, yeah.
And this
Some people they use hair glue, that's not really healthy.
hair glue, oh my god.
Some people they do use because it's a little bit cheaper.
And you said these should last for how long?
I mean, it's all depend on you, but usually my client keep it for 3 weeks to 1 month, some 5 weeks use it too. If you don't rub too much, you wash your face gently, it lasts you pretty long.
So you have a choice of small, medium, or
And large. Yes.
large.
Yeah. Some people really want it to look dramatic look,
Yeah,
Some people want very natural, like for every day you have time in the morning to go, when they're going to work.
Yeah, I'm
When
sure
they
it
wake
saves
up,
you a lot of time in the
yeah.
morning to get
So
ready.
you don't need to put no mascara or nothing, and you look beautiful without makeup too,
Oh yes. Oh, it looks so pretty. And right now it doesn't bother at all. Like, I don't feel like I have anything on.
No?
Feels very comfortable.
That's good. You're not blinking too much. Some people tears
So you
also.
shouldn't blink a lot when you're getting it done. Just
I mean,
for
it's
easier.
better, yeah. It's easy for me too.
So you definitely shouldn't have mascara on when you come to get them done, right?
No. Some
Just
people
come
come
without.
with mascara, then they have to remove it, but here
Okay,
because,
so.
yeah, you're gonna feel like you have mascara on already.
Wow.
So you don't need it after even.
Mhm.
How come you never did it before?
I don't know, because I thought like you couldn't put makeup. Like it was very hard. Like since I do eyeliner every day, so I thought it was like you couldn't do eyeliner if you got your lashes.
No, you can do whatever. Your lashes on top of your own lashes in between.
So you can get your face wet normal, just not like scrubbing and stuff.
You can take shower, you can swim, you can do whatever you want. You not pull them off.
Oh, okay, that's important. So when they start falling, what should you do?
With baby oil gently, they sometimes they comes out, but eyelash remover on the beauty supply you can buy.
Oh, really? Eyelash remover?
Yeah, if you buy one time, it lasts you for 1 year.
You only have to use a little, right?
Very little, just with Q-tips, and you just wait few minutes and they come off really.
I never knew that they had eyelash remover.
Yeah, so because some people they always complain. They said, "Oh, I did lashes. Now my own lashes. I ruin my own lash."
Another thing, like it ruins your lashes.
They said, "Oh, I lose my own lashes," but the
I
thing
guess
is,
they didn't take care of them properly.
because if you pull them off, obviously it's here. You're gonna lose your lashes.
Of course. Wow, they look so beautiful. And they'll be like nice and curled. Like,
Yeah.
you just push them up a little.
Yeah. They have also like
Styles?
doubles. Yeah, different styles. The
Okay.
doubles. More fuller, more like cat eye look. I'm doing this for so long, and people like usually.
They like this better because it
Yeah.
looks more natural, right?
Yeah.
This corner here.
This one?
Yeah.
Me to put more, or this is enough?
Let me take a look at it closer so I can see. Where do you think that I would need? Definitely like them full. We can add. So yeah, this is not bothering like at all. I don't feel like I have anything on.
Yeah, and it's not like strip. You just always worried
Individual.
about they're gonna come off.
What a difference.
Color because I'm lefty.
Oh, I'm lefty too. What do you do like when they start coming off? Do you come like for filling, or do you just do a whole?
No, like today, my client, she came after 3 weeks, no lashes at all.
Okay.
If you miss 1 or 2, people can, come to, refill and keep it longer than 2 weeks. But after 3 weeks, if anything happen, I suggest to remove them and get the fresh,
Yeah, I think that would be better too.
Yeah.
Just here holding a fan so they can dry the glue.
Some people, as I told you, you are very good, but some people tears,
Oh yeah,
because
they'll
of the
start
glue.
tearing, yes. Just a little bit in here, we'll add some more.
Do not touch another 10-15 minutes.
So you definitely can't put mascara.
It won't last that long if you put mascara,
It won't. Besides lashes, what else do you do here?
We do lashes, waxing, and tinting the eyebrow.
Here, if they want to reach you.
917-421-2406.
In
7 days.
Oh, that's
7
great.
Days, 10 to 7. And Sunday we close 6:30.
So yeah, I don't know if you guys were able to hear well in the salon, but these are a medium size. They are not mink lashes, and I mean, they feel great right now. They don't bother me. Obviously, if you have very sensitive eyes, it could be a completely different story. Just be careful. I know a lot of people are very sensitive to the glue. Hence the salon, they use different types of glue. I just went inside to ask like how much it was, and she said it was $20. So I said, okay, why not? Like, I'll try it for the first time. Next time I'll go a little more dramatic. But if you want something natural, again, they have this and even more natural. Your personal preference. You see how they look on the side, so they're really nice and curled. Like, while she was doing them, I did tell her like, oh, add some more here, add some more here. Just work with the person until you're satisfied. Hopefully they last like at least 3 weeks. And I do have to buy that glue. I will try to link, like, if I find the glue on Amazon, the eyelash remover glue, I will link it down below just so you guys, if you guys may be looking for it, because they will probably start falling and you'll have like gaps and stuff. So I think when that happens, you should like remove them. That's just my opinion. Quick thing I want to mention before I forget is they blend really well with the lashes. Like with your lashes, you can tell the difference. Like, you don't see anything, it just looks like they're one. I also really quickly want to show you how they look like with my eyes closed. Looks great. You don't need to like wear eyeliner to disguise the band or anything like that. I love that about this. Just leave me any comments below, any questions that I may not have answered, and I'll try to answer them as best as possible. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, click the little notification bell, that way you will be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Bye!